use this powerful Black & Decker 7-amp electric drill / driver, the DR560, with drill bits and driver bits for my car, motorcycle, and home. 120 volts and 7 amps. It's a 1/2-inch drill driver with variable speed and provides full power in forward and reverse. Here I'm showing you the lock feature, so that way you don't have to hold down the variable speed trigger. It can provide speeds from 0 to 900 RPM, which means revolutions per minute. And the power cord is about 6 feet long. It includes this rugged metal chuck key. The drill is only 3 pounds and strong enough to drive fasteners into wood, metal, and plastic. I suggest not using it for concrete. It comes with a rugged ambidextrous handle, which provides support, control, and comfort while doing my work. The soft hand grip is comfortable, prevents vibration, and I can use this while working long hours. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. Here are some of the attachments I use, and this could also give you some ideas on certain projects that you can use with this powerful Black & Decker 7-amp electric drill. And this is what it sounds like. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.